Hi there, it's Martin, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to send follow-ups in Gmail with Propel. If you haven't heard back from journalists yet, don't worry. It doesn't mean your story isn't valuable. Sometimes journalists just need a little reminder. Let's walk through how to send those follow-ups effectively. Start by selecting the original pitching initiative. Then, in the toolbar, check the follow-up box on the right. This tells Propel to send your follow-up as part of the original thread, not as a new email thread. Next, select the recipients you'd like to follow up with. You can click Add All Pitched to include everyone from your original list, or you can manually choose specific contacts. Keep in mind, Propel only allows follow-up emails for contacts who 1. You already pitched in this specific initiative, and 2. Haven't responded to the original pitch. Why? If a journalist has replied, you're already in conversation. That's a win, and it's best to tailor your response based on their reply. Now it's time to write your follow-up email. Craft your message like you would for any other pitch, but avoid changing the subject line. When you're ready to send, you have a few options. Send mail merge for immediate follow-ups. Schedule mail merge if you'd like them to go out at a specific date and time, or generate drafts to review each message individually before sending. For more details on these send options, please check the video linked in the description. And that's it. Propel's follow-up feature makes it easy to stay connected with journalists and keep your story top of mind. Now all you need to do is sit back and wait for the journalist to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com.